Hello and welcome to another My Interesting Pictures video. Today again outside because I want to find out how Germans would vote. Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump?
Clinton.
Wir Clinton wählen.
Clinton auf jeden Fall.
Also Trump.
No way Trump, but with Hillary won't be any better for them or for us.
Für Clinton.
Clinton.
Hillary.
Ich glaube,
I think that's obvious, no?
Hillary Clinton. Also,
I mean, there's no better option.
Hillary Clinton.
None of them. And you? The same.
Clinton.
Hillary Clinton. Die Clinton.
But it's like deciding between bad and worse. But in this case, Hillary is the best.
Clinton.
Clinton, ja.
In fact, none of them.
Hillary Clinton, ja.
Same for you? Yes.
Trump.
Hillary Clinton. Clinton.
Keine Ahnung.
I have no
Weiß
clue.
nicht.
So none of them?
Nee.
No.
Clinton natürlich.
Ja.
Auch Clinton.
Clinton doch, ja.
Ja, Clinton natürlich auch.
Clinton?
Clinton.
Ich würde Clinton wählen.
Clinton natürlich. Clinton.
So the results are in. The German people have decided Hillary Clinton is the official winner of the German election. And well, Donald, I'm really sorry for you. Well, but please don't take this survey too seriously. I didn't ask 82 million people in Germany. It was just a couple of them. So please don't take it too serious. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. So thanks for watching this latest My Interesting Pictures video. I really appreciated that you took the time and watched this. I don't know how long the video is, but anyways, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, as always, stay interested to be My Interesting. Goodbye.